Hello. Well, if it's summer, it means it's butterfly and moth season, and to my total delight, we have a Regal moth here in one of our terrariums. We had raised a couple of hickory horn devil caterpillars, which grow into this beautiful creature, or develop into it after they pupate and eclose. And we've got a Regal moth here. Oh my gosh. And I was completely shocked to see this. I don't know why. This is exactly what we hoped would happen, but we've got this beautiful moth here, and you can see that it has kind of crawled out of its winter den and is now sitting here. I don't exactly know what to do now. It is alive. I did kind of touch it with a little piece of straw and it did react. I think that it's probably, well, I don't know. I don't know. Its wings don't look like they're completely finished being, I don't know what happens, pumped full of fluid, if it works anyway like the monarch butterfly does, you know, another Lepidoptera species. I don't know what it needs to do. I don't see any big antennae on it. I am guessing that if this were a male, it would have big feathery antenna that it could use to detect female pheromones. Not seeing that, but it's not exactly moving around this cage yet. I don't know how long it's been out. I don't think I looked yesterday, so it could have come out anytime yesterday or today. I just really don't know. It's spent the winter in this cool terrarium in our garage, and earlier in the summer we kind of stuck it out here under the shelter of a couple of a plastic table, and left it open a crack. The dirt is kind of dry. I don't know, hopefully this moth is not dehydrated. I just have no clue. I don't have any idea what's going to happen next. I'm going to leave it sit here probably overnight and hope that it really does expand its wings a little bit and becomes a little bit more active. Or, heck, these are nocturnal creatures. Maybe it's waiting for dark, before it really, decides to get active. I don't know. There's nothing on my other one yet. I have another one of these. This is going to be Reggie or Oscar. As you might remember, we had two of these incredible 4-inch long crazy looking caterpillars last fall, and they dug down into the dirt when it was time and stayed all winter. I'm hoping the other one is going to emerge. It's interesting, they were kind of one day apart. I raised this moth from an egg. It hatched, and then actually I had 3 eggs, and 2 out of the 3 hatched. One hatched one day and the second one came out the next day. So their development has kind of been one day apart. So possibly my other one is going to come out tomorrow, I hope. And so this is very exciting. Oh, I was so shocked when I saw this. I don't know why I was shocked, but I was just really kind of worried. Putting these things in an artificial environment, you just never really know what is going to happen, or if nature is really going to do what it's supposed to do. But in this case it has, and oh, what a beautiful thing. Oh my gosh, I really am curious to see. Hopefully, I'm just going to really hope that it can, that it really is able to become a normal adult moth. And as I said last year in one of the videos that I made then, we're in the extreme northern part of this animal's range, and when I release it, I think I'm going to have to take this down to, I don't know where, Oakwoods Metro Park, or maybe I may even take it down to Oak Openings in Ohio tomorrow and let it out, just to increase the chance that it will find a mate. These moths don't have any mouth parts or digestive system. They exist in this stage of their life cycle to just mate, to just find to find a mate and lay eggs and carry the cycle on. And they will only live about a week. So I have a very short amount of time to let this out into the wild and hopefully you know, where it can carry on its reproductive function as an adult. So this is very exciting. Yeah, as you can see, it's really not moving too much. I kind of touched it with a little piece of straw, and it kind of jiggled its legs. It did move. You know, it is alive. It will go for the next week on the energy that it has stored, I guess, in its abdomen, you know, because it does not need to eat. And I'm just hoping, you know, that it's really, you know, it's not dehydrated or sick or dying or anything. But I have no idea. So we'll just keep an eye on it here tomorrow and try to decide what to do then, and hope that the other one comes out as well. But this is just thrilling. It's really a beautiful animal, and I really would like to see what it looks like, you know, with the wings extended. You can kind of see, can't get too close, but you know, you can see the wing tips here are really not quite, they don't look like, you know, they're fully extended or full of fluid or stiff yet. And I don't know, I can't really see any movement on the abdomen. I don't really, you know, with the monarch butterfly, I could see the abdomen pumping up. You know, I could see it, you know, just kind of forcing the fluid from the abdomen into the wings, but this is really just kind of motionless. So I don't know, you know, like I say, you know, it may just take longer, or it might be waiting for the tark, or, you know, there might be something wrong. But hopefully all is well, and we'll get this one and the other one out into the wild. So anyway, how exciting. All right, talk to you later.